What up, y'all? It's your boy Kato, aka Mr. Fresh on Campus. It's who I am, what I am, and this is Frag Talk. Back again with a unboxing, not really an unboxing video, unbagging, unpackaging video. And I got a little backed up on my Scentbird subscription. Basically, I got some that I hadn't opened yet. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna bust them out, smell them a little bit, give a little rating, see whether or not I'm gonna actually use them or toss them in the bag for a trip or something like that, or just, let them turn into a dust bunny. But, stick with your boy. We're gonna see what we got. I got 3 of them today. So let's see what we got on the first one. And if you don't know, Scentbird is a subscription service to where it'll let you sample different fragrances from different fragrance houses and things like that. You got niche, and you also have designer fragrances. The one we're gonna do today is Very from Mind Games. It's got the notes on the back of it. I'm not gonna look at that and see what I can get off the scent. And usually when I do Scentbird or whatever, I do niche houses or whatever, because I want to sample them before you go and spend big bucks on them or whatever like that. And they have Mind Games, which is a house that I'm very, very interested in, and they have a lot of bangers in that line, so might as well try it. And this is how the Scentbird samples come, in a little pouch like this, especially the ones that are, the Scentbird, what is it? I forgot what they call it. Scentbird Select or something like that. And they'll come in a little pouch, and they'll give you a little travel case that, and on the inside is the actual sample vial, like that. Only bad part about it is they don't let you choose the color. So if you got more than one, all of them gonna look alike. You're gonna have to open that bad boy up to see what you got. And today, like I said, we got Mind Games, Very. Might have heard a lot about Mind Games. I think I have. They've been all over my feed and all over the community with the different bangers that they have. I got 1 or 2. We can talk about that, but we're talking about this right here. So today we got Very. And also the atomizer on these bad boys suck, so, be mindful. And in the vial, right off the rip, you get some citrus. Smell a little bit and fruity. I don't know what other fruit it is. It's very strong. A little floral. Yeah, I like this. Oh, hold up now. And it's got like a little musky scent to it too. Not in a bad musk like B.O., but yeah, it's good. But like I was saying, the vial, you can get 100 sprays out of it, enough to last you for a month. So, like I said, the Scentbird Selects, they add a little upcharge or whatever, because those are the ones that are niche, and they cost a little more. Now, if you're going just with a regular Scentbird one, they're not gonna give you the case, but you can buy them separately, and they just give you the vial. They are just gonna be like the regular subscription price, which I think is like $16 a month or whatever, just to try a sample, to try a fragrance before you buy it. Fragrances, the cost of them have gone up, and $16 ain't bad to try something versus you going out and spending over $100 plus for something that you may not like, unless you just go to the store and get a sample that way. But sometimes when I go, they don't have samples, so they act like they don't want to give you a sample, like it coming out of their pocket. But yeah, this is a good one. So let's get into the notes. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got citron, pink pepper, peony, incense, and it does have musk. So I got the citrus and I got the musk out of that bad boy. I didn't get the incense. And the peony is the floral scent, and the pink pepper. I like it though. Let's pull a Fragrantica and see what other people are rating it. Me personally, I'll probably get like a 7.3 out of 10. Give me 1 second, bear with me. Trying to pull up my Fragrantica. mind games. All right, the main accords they list are citrus, musky, fresh, spicy, fresh, amber, aromatic, powdery, floral, and green. Definitely get a lot of those. They're giving it a 3.95 out of 5. This is close to what I said, like a 7.8. Which ain't bad. It was released in 2023. Some of the notes that aren't listed on this are lemongrass, lemon, pink pepper, tea, red fruits, peony, camellia, musk, amberwood, and incense. So the little card from Scentbird doesn't give you all of the notes, but they give you a good little bit. All right, let's move on to the next joint. Let's see what we got in this one. And it's gonna be another Scentbird Select, so I'm gonna have a little white case with that one too. And, ooh, okay, been waiting on this one. This one is Blue Talisman, the X-Straight. This one gets so much love, so much hype about this one in the original in the community. And they released the X-Straight, which is gonna be a little bit stronger, last a little bit longer, and it's gonna be a different, what are you looking for? It's not a parfum, it's not a eau de parfum, it's the parfum version, a little bit stronger. I took a little glance at the notes just now, but if you know about Blue Talisman, it got a pear note in it. And I'm wondering what they added to it. See, let's look up the original Blue Talisman to see what it has to compare. All right, Blue Talisman. All right, the original is citrus, fruity, musky, sweet, woody, fresh, spicy, white, floral. And overall, I've smelled it a couple times, and I got a dupe from, what is it, Fragrance World? French Avenue? What is it? I forgot what it's called. Art of Universe, that's what it is. That's a banger. So if you want to get that Blue Talisman smell without spending that $350, that's a good one. Hold on one second. All right, so the original has pear, bergamot, mandarin orange, ginger, orange blossom, Gregory wood, musk, amberfix, akigala wood, and cedar. Let's see what we got with this one. Let's see if we like it as much as we like the original, the OG. Again, same presentation. Only thing they changed was the vial on the inside because it has the label on it. Ex Nihilo, Blue Talisman, X-Straight. De Parfum. All right, get a spray of that in the air. Atomizer sucks. This is way different. I wouldn't say way different, but it's different from, it's more woodsy. It's not as pear forward, not fruity forward as the original, but it still smells good in the air. Let me see what he got off the strip. Not sure if I like it as much as I like the OG right now. That dry down might be different though. But they were saying that this one is more fall, winter, cold weather geared versus the other one, which was kind of like year round. And I can kind of tell it's a little deeper scent. It's decent though. Let's see what the differences are. So based off of this, what did they add or take away? All right, on the Scentbird card, it says pear, bergamot, which are two for the same thing. They match. This one has jasmine. The original doesn't have jasmine in it. Then vanilla they added to it too. Let's see what else Fragrantica will pull up on this one. Give me a second. Straight de Parfum. Let's see. All right, so we got the main accords they list are white floral, citrus, woody, sweet, fruity, amber, aquatic, powdery, fresh, warm, and spicy. Definitely warm and spicy and woody. The citrus ain't as heavy. I'm getting a little ambery. All right, let's see what the notes say. Yeah, it's way different. They only have pear and bergamot off the top. Orange blossom in this bad boy. Do they have orange blossom in the other one? Yeah, orange blossom, the share note. Orange blossom, jasmine sandbach. That's one of the new notes. The amberwood, amberfix, sandalwood, vanilla, and musk. So the vanilla and the jasmine sandbach are making the difference here. They took away the ginger, so it doesn't have that effervescent, that pop, that super fresh burst of freshness off the top. So yeah, it's a little bit heavier. It's okay. I definitely wear. I'm probably gonna wear this today. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this probably be my scent of the day, just because it's blue talisman. Put this one to the side. I'll rock that today. Let's see what else we got in this bad boy. Last one. Oh, okay. We have another Mind Games fragrance. So I'm loading up on them. I ain't gonna say a lie to you. Get all the samples before I spend that $350, $400 on the bottle. And like I said, this lasts at least, there's 100 sprays in here, so this will give me more than enough to let me know if I want to make that investment or not. And this one is Checkmate. Excuse me. And based on what it says here, it's a tobacco, bourbon, and santal scent. Okay, Checkmate. Let's see if it's a winner. Same old presentation. You got your vial right there that says the name and all that good stuff on it. Maybe I was upside down. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it was upside down. Mind Games, Checkmate. And your travel case right there, white. Put that bad boy back on the inside, close it up. Let's get a spray in the air and one on the tester strip. See what we got here before we get to the notes. I might have spoke too soon because yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh man, I can't even. Yeah, this is beautiful. I get it. I can't even tell you what I'm smelling. I just know it smells good. God damn. Now, from this, it said it had a tobacco note. It's not overwhelming. Like, you're not going to smell like an ashtray or nothing like that. It's blended super well. Let's go to the notes, because I ain't about to play with this one. That one is, out of the three, that's the best one to me. Yeah. I said I was going to wear Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman. Nah. I spoke too soon because I think I'm gonna check this out right here today. Mind Games, Checkmate, and it definitely is a checkmate because that's a winner right there. Checkmate, not check, please. Okay, I get it now. I got a quick glance at the notes, and the main accords are rose, fruity, champagne, patchouli, floral, tobacco, sweet, earthy, aldehydic, and woody. I definitely get the rose now, because it is a powdery type rose. The champagne note is off the chain though. I'm surprised. They're only giving it a 3.97 out of 5. I would have given more than that. I'll give it like a 8.5. This is good to me. And let's look at the notes. Come on, computer. Work with your boy. Off the top, you got champagne, red currant, Nirvana. Got 3 different roses in the mid. You got May rose, Bulgarian rose, regular rose, and magnolia. Then at the base you got patchouli, which I'm hearing and learning is a slight chocolatey note. It'll give you a chocolatey sense, unless it's a green earthy like patchouli that'll make it dirty. Like, let me see which one. Get more chocolatey than earthy and from this one. Then tobacco and moss. So yeah, out of the three, I would say this, then the Ex Nihilo, then what was the other one? Viri. Viri was decent. It was just alright. That would be an everyday. This one right here is good though. You can dress this up, clean this up real nice. But yeah, so that was my Scentbird fragrance haul for the last couple months. I only got one a month. I'm on a subscription where you only get one a month or whatever. I don't need no more than that because I got other scents I try to get throughout the month anyway. But like I said, I usually use this to go for any niche that I'm interested in or whatever. But that was the Scentbird haul. And make sure you go follow, like, and comment and subscribe to the page. And come back because I'm gonna have more content loaded for you often. And until next time, I hope y'all stay blessed and keep your frag game up. Stay fresh as can be, but ain't no guarantee you're gonna be fresh as me. And I'm out.